Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to our live trading session for today. So as usual, we're going to be analyzing the market together and we'll be looking for possible entry opportunities. Okay, so guys, go get your account ready. If you don't have enough balance in your account, I'll suggest you start funding right now. Yeah, and if you fund on my live stream, you'll be qualified to join my premium group. All right. So you see that banner where deposits with benefits is written on. If you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit page. So now when you deposit, um, you'll be qualified to join my premium group. Just let me tell you a bit about my premium group. So I have a premium group where I give free signals, market analysis, and market reports, okay, on daily basis. And we've had good winning rates. Now, to become a premium member, you have to fund on this live stream. Okay. And how do you do that? You simply do that by clicking on that banner where deposit with benefit is written. Now, if you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit page. When you get to the deposit page, if you deposit $10, $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And then you also get a one-on-one live trading session with me. Okay. So guys, go fund your account. Let's analyze the market and look for entry opportunities. And then you also be added to the premium group. Okay. All right. So let's see what's going on uh, in the forex market for today. Okay. So on GBP, we are currently on GBP USD 2 hour time frame, and as you can see here, we had a breach. Okay, we had a breach of this trend line to the upside. All right, we had a breach of trend line to the upside from here. Right. So we have a level here, and the market is currently approaching the level. All right. So for this analysis, we don't need this anymore because the market has already went uh, above it. Okay. So now our point of interest, uh, this level, okay, this level that got broken to the upside, and this level that the market is currently approaching. So here, as I've said earlier, we have a resistance zone, and the market is currently approaching the resistance level. Now let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, let me zoom in so we can see the chart clearly. All right, so on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, the market is still pushing to the upside, it's still moving bullish. So we just need the market to get to this point, and we wait patiently for a reversal pattern. Now the reversal pattern will be either candle formation or uh, either candle formation or a rejection candle. Okay, so whichever one happens, is an indication that the market is about to reverse, and then we'll take the opportunity, right? So now let's go to a more lower time frame. Let's go to 30 minutes time frame. Let's go see what's going on the 30 minutes time frame. So on the 30 minutes time frame, as you can see, we have a trend line that would align well with what we have here. Okay, we have a trend line that's going to align with what we have here. So you see, we have a perfect aligning of trend lines channel. So now what I'm expecting from this market is I'm expecting the market to make moves like this. So even if this market is going to make a reversal, I'm very sure it's going to come here, reverse back to this level, okay, and then continue to go up. So um, this is where I expect the market to come to before I can look out for another opportunity. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting from the market. So this is how I currently expect the market to move, hopefully, right? So that is the analysis on GBP USD. Now let's go to the first pair we have at the top, AUD CAD. Let's make analysis from AUD CAD. All right. Okay, so we are currently on the 2-hour time frame of AUDCAD, and the market is still approaching the level, okay, the level we have here. Now, remember we also have a previous analysis on this trade where I said the market is heading towards the 50% of the level we have here. Okay. So this didn't get to the 50%. Okay. It didn't get to the 50%. So now I would like to think the market would, deceive a lot of people here. So this market is going to come into this level again. Um, so making the retail traders believe that the market is going to start selling when it get to this point. Okay. But let me tell you, this is what I think this market is going to do. So this level is going to be an inducement level. So in case you don't know what inducement means, inducement is also called trap zones. Okay, so these are areas where you think the market is going to buy or sell from, but rather the market is going to purge liquidity around such zone, and then before you know it goes to the direction um, it's supposed to go to. Okay, so and that is exactly what I think is going to happen to this market. I think this is going to purge this level. Okay, create an inducement here because the market still hasn't gotten to the 50%, as you can see from the earlier move. Okay, so and what we are expecting here is we have this big fair value gap. So I'm expecting the market to get into the 50%, and after getting into the 50%, I expect the market to drop down. Okay, I expect the market to drop down to at least this level. Okay, I expect the market to drop down to at least this level. So now, once the market gets to this point, this is where my take profit is. Okay. So this is where I expect my take profit to be. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Let's continue. So as I was saying, I expect the market to induce this level. Okay, where we have this recent high. I expect the market to take out liquidity here, come to the 50% of this price point, and then sell to the downside. Right? And so this is what I expect from the market. Come here, come to this level where we have this point as our support level. This is our support level, right? So okay. All right, so now let's go to the lower time frame. Let's see if we can get on the trend. The market is bullish already, so let's see if we can jump on the bullish trend. Okay, so here the bullish momentum is getting weaker. As you can see, the market is creating unstable bullish candles. Okay, so I call them unstable because as you see, they have wicks. Let's go back to the 15 minutes time frame. They are very tiny, and they have so the one that is supposed to be long has a long wick and a very small body. Okay, so this simply means the buying pressure is decreasing. Okay, so the bullish momentum is decreasing, and it's giving room to the bearish momentum. So what will happen is this is going to continue until it gets to this zone. Now, when it gets to this zone, we have sellers here. Okay, Okay, we have the sellers waiting for the bulls. So when the market get to this point, the market will start selling. All right. So guys, keep an eye on AUDCAD. This is a good analysis. Trust me. Okay. All right. Let's analyze another instrument. All right. So here we have the AUDJPY. Okay, AUDJPY on 2 hour time frame. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame. I want to see where the market currently is. Right. So I believe that's a new high created. Okay. So liquidity market had taken liquidity here on the 4 hour time frame. So for this trade, the bullish momentum is still very strong. Okay, the bullish momentum is still very strong. In fact, I would advise if you are looking for any opportunity on AUDJPY, make sure it's a buying opportunity. Okay, if you're looking to open a position on AUDJPY, make sure it's a buy position. Just wait for a market retest. Okay, something like this. Wait for a market retest. The market successfully retested this level. Okay, retested this level where we have a fair value gap. You see, the market successfully retested this level before making this bullish move. Yeah. So make sure you are placing a buy position on AUDJPY when you get the opportunity, not a sell. All right. Very important. Uh, okay, let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. So let's check on the next instrument. Okay. So let's delete our previous analysis. Let's delete the previous analysis we have here. So as you can see, we have this and it got mitigated. Okay. And then we also have this and it also got mitigated. And moving on, we had this. Okay, we had that which also got mitigated some way. All right. So now we have another internal breakup structure and we have an open fair value gap here, and the market is yet to mitigate this level. So what I think is going to happen here on AUD USD is I think this market is going to push back to this level, okay, and then continue to trend to the upside. Right. So this is the 2 hour time frame. Let's go down to the 1 hour time frame to get a clearer view. Okay. And then we also have a double low here. Okay. So double low or double bottoms are good indicator for a liquidity sweep. Okay. So what this is pointing out here is that the market is going to come down to sweep liquidity. And when that happens, the market would come, take liquidity, and look for levels where it can reverse from. Okay. And the only level down here where this market can reverse is this fair value gap zone. Okay. The fair value gap. So let's see. We currently have this zone where the market is still struggling right now. Okay, the market is still struggling inside the zone. So let's see what happens if this is going to get rejected or if it's going to break it to the upside. All right. So on the 15 minutes time frame, as you can see, the market is still bullish. The bullish momentum is stronger than the bearish momentum. Okay. Well, another thing that can happen here is this market is bullish. Okay, it's currently bullish. If it comes, if it goes below this our moving average, the two moving average, the yellow and the blue moving average. If the market goes below them, there's strong tendency that the market can sell. Okay, there's a strong tendency that the market can sell. But we don't get to decide for the market. Okay, so we allow the market do its thing. close below trend line, close below moving average, or close below support or a resistance level before we decide if we are going to open a position or not. Okay. And what we currently have here right now is not a good opportunity. In fact, we have a conflicting uh, confirmations. Okay. So the candle momentum here is very strong, which means the market is going to continue to be bullish. Okay. It's going to continue to be bullish for now until we get a rejection here and the market decides to come down. So if we don't have the rejection, the market will just continue to go up because of the bullish momentum. Okay. So I'll suggest we allow the trade to either break up or close below. So if it breaks up, uh, the market will continue to buy. Okay. But if it breaks, below this level, then the market will start to sell. All right. So this is the current market, and hopefully it comes down or go up before the end of our session. Okay. Okay. So let's analyze the market. Let's analyze another pair. So we have analysis on AUD, CAD. Yes, we have analysis on AUD, JPY. We have analysis on AUD, AUD, USD. Right. So let's continue. Let's make analysis on AUD, Euro AUD. So switching to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so let me delete all our previous analysis on this pair. Right. Okay, so let's continue, guys. All right. Okay, so on Euro AUD, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So on Euro AUD 1 hour time frame, the market is currently on a bearish trend. Okay, and that is confirmed by our up and lower trend line channel. So the channel is also confirming that the market is currently bearish. You see? All right. So the next thing to look out for here is, do we have any you know, price rejection zone? Okay, so we have one here. We have another one here. So let's see if this aligns with the current market. And yes, it aligns with the current market. Now, the market, the bearish momentum is stronger than the bullish momentum in this case. Okay, so we are expected, or we are supposed to sell here, but since the market is currently on a support zone, this could be a minor support. Okay, but we can't be too sure until the market starts to reject that level. So if the market is not rejecting the level, then that means the market can continue, you know, digging deep, cutting through our support level. Okay, so but we can't just decide how the market is going to run, or um, it's not possible for you to just predict without analyzing and waiting and having the patience to wait for the market to make its move. Okay, because even after analysis, you still cannot be sure, or even if you are able to predict the price movement, as at that moment, the market might still be trying to align. Okay, try to align to the direction that you've predicted. So drawdowns can still happen. Market can still go opposite direction before the market, start to go to your direction. Okay, so that is what I want to use as an example for this trade, right? Even though we have multiple areas of rejection here where the market has had previously bounced back, I think it would be wise to wait and see if the market is going to get rejected here. If it's going to go, if the current candle is going to close above our moving average. Okay, so when that happens, it's a good indication that the market will continue to buy. Then we can place a buy trade using this level as our take profit and using this level as our stop loss. Okay. Okay. All right. So that's the analysis on Euro AUD. So right now we just need the market uh, to close above our moving average. Okay, both moving average. So if it doesn't close above the moving average and decides to close below this level, then we'll switch uh, to a selling position. Okay, we'll then be looking out for a sell opportunity instead of a buy opportunity. Right. So let's analyze Euro CAD. Okay, the euro against the Canadian dollar. So a few days ago, I made this analysis. I think that was on Monday. I made the analysis, and since then, the market has been moving to the direction I predicted the market to go to. This is the 2 hour time frame. So imagine how many hours it took this market to get to this point, and imagine how profitable you could have been if you took this trade. Okay, so you see, this is why you need to become a premium member. In fact, I would advise you fund up to $200 so that you can have a one-on-one session with me. Okay. So on the session, I can teach you how to do this accurately, break it down to the level you'll be able to comprehend. You understand? So right. So right now, the current market is approaching. The market is currently approaching this level. Okay, it's approaching that level. So we want to wait for the market to come below our moving average. So when the market come below our moving average, uh, we will decide if we are placing, if we are going to place a sell opportunity. Okay, if we are going to open a sell position. But for now, the market is still ranging around this level. Okay, so as you can see from this box where I drew, the market is still ranging. So let's see which would happen first. Let me delete the box and use. So let's use this instead. Okay, so this is a better. Uh, this is a better rectangle box. So now I just need the market to go out of this box, and whichever direction the market picks to go out of the box is the direction I'll be focusing on. Okay, so if this market goes bullish, if it closes above, then we enter for a buy. All right. But if it closes below, let's say it comes down to this level, close below this level, then we take a sell trade. Okay. Okay. So now we also have an analysis on Euro CAD. Okay. We have analysis on Euro CAD. Okay. Right. Let's check on Euro CHF. Euro CHF. Euro CHF. Okay, so there's no good entry on Euro CHF. We are switching to Euro GBP, right? And for Euro GBP, we have a level here. Okay, we have a level here. Right. Okay. So let's go down to 15 minutes time frame. So on the 15 minutes time frame of Euro GBP, we have a widely open favor gap here. Okay. Have a wide open favor gap here. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's go to the 5 minutes time frame, and as you can see, on the 5 minutes time frame, the candle is currently closing above the level. Okay, all right. Let me see if this is a good entry opportunity for us. Uh, so this is Euro. Euro GBP. Okay, so we currently have less than 3 minutes to the end of the current candle. So let's see how this candle closes, and let's see if we can take an entry here on Euro GBP. Okay, so we have less than 2 minutes to the end of this current candle. Right, less than a minute now. Okay, a few seconds more. All right, so uh, the candle closed, but you say the bullish has gone way past our entry point. Okay, so I would have loved if I would have preferred, the entry from this level. But if we are to take this trade from here right now, our stop loss would be too wide. Okay, unless we are decreasing our stop loss to this level and we are taking our entry from this level, right? Okay, and you see we are getting a drawdown now. So let's wait until the market comes back to make a retest here. Okay. All right. So you see, we lost communication when the market got to this point. This should have been our entry point, right? So let's give this time. Let's see if it's going to come back to this level here. So if it does come back to this level, we're going to place a buy position to probably maybe this point. Okay. Okay, so we have um, a minute more to the end of this current candle, right? And it's heading, trying to get back to our entry point. Okay, so if it succeeds, getting to this point, we are going to open a buy position. Okay, so the market is still bullish. So this could have been a good trade, a profitable one for us, but unfortunately, um, we had a loss in communication before we could place the entry. Okay, so you see, I made the analysis even before the market started playing out. Okay, so if you join my premium group, if we have a one-on-one session, these are the things that I'm going to teach you. Teach you how to analyze the market, how to see a potential, profitable market. So, all right. So before the end of our session, I think we should quickly make analysis on another instrument. Uh, as I've said earlier, this has gone way past our entry point. Okay. So let's analyze USD JPY. I think USD JPY is trying to reverse from its bullish trend. Okay, I think USD JPY is trying to reverse from its bullish trend. All right, so let's see what we have here. We have an open gap. Okay, and then we have the market closing on the gap. All right, so right now the market is trying to break our trend line to the downside. Okay, it's trying to break our trend line to the downside. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. The market respects the higher time frame than the lower time frames. So whatever is happening on the higher time frame, the lower time frame would always align itself, uh, to the 1 hour time frame. So what we have here on the 1 hour time frame is we have a break and a retest. Okay, so to a layman understanding, this is a break and a retest. Okay, but in the ICT, which is the SMC strategy, um, this is not just a break. Okay, this is a break of structure above, and the market came back into a fair value gap. Okay, the market came back into a fair value gap. So for every structural break, the market will always leave an open gap. So whenever the market comes back into such gap, the market is expected to go to continue its movement. Okay, so for this case, the market is currently bullish. So we're expecting the market to continue buying, right? So for this, you see, we've had multiple rejections. We have this first one that came into the fair value gap, and then we have this full candle. Then the next candle is a doji candle. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so on the 15 minutes time frame, the candle is quite different. So we have a doji candle here, and dojis um, they signify a trend continuation. Okay, so when you see a doji on the current trend, it means that the current trend is going to continue. Okay, so this is a bullish trend after the break of structure here, and this is saying the market is going to continue to buy to the upside. Right. So remember, doji is a trend continuation candle formation. Okay. But I'm still not going to place this trade. Okay, I'm not going to place this trade because I still need more confirmation before I open a buy position. Right. But what I have here right now is not enough to open a buy position. Right. Okay. So guys, that will be all for this class, for this session. See you again on our next live trading session. Enjoy the rest of your day and bye.